Hi everyone and welcome back. So there's a brand new app available for Samsung Galaxy Watch running WearOS and it's Nike Running Coach. This is a fairly popular app that was available for a long time on Apple Watch, but now finally it is available for WearOS. Simply download this app on your watch by going to Play Store, then search for Nike Run. As you can see, this is the first app, just download it. After that, you can also download the companion app on your phone. Once downloaded, you can start a running workout on your watch using this app. This app uses its own GPS location, so you can also check out if accuracy is good or not. Just tap on start and you're good to go. In workout section, it shows our distance, then time per kilometer. After that, we have total time highlighted here. Once you have completed a workout, you can see detailed analysis of the run within this app, like distance, duration, and speed. The phone app has its own workout mode that you can try out, but it's better to use the watch app since necessary information like heart rate, blood oxygen will be monitored in a better way. And try to use one account on both your phone and watch so that the data will be synced across multiple devices. Sadly, there is no Nike Run watch face with this app. I really wanted to see Nike watch face for Samsung Galaxy Watch. There are many fake ones from Facer, but there is no official face yet from Nike on Galaxy Watch. So try out the brand new Nike Run app and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, I'll be soon doing a comparison between the latest Wear OS and the Apple Watch OS. So stay tuned for that. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.